Hi, this is Nitin from Sri Chaitanya Techno School, Grade 2. Now I am going to do a science experiment named Magical Lemon. For that, we need one lemon, 2 glass tumblers, and some water and salt. Now I am going to pour the water into the glass tumbler. I'm going to take the lemon and put it into a glass tumbler. See, it sinks. Now I'm going to take it and put it in another glass tumbler. Here also it sinks. Now I will do the magical part of this experiment. Now I will take some salt and put it in a tumbler. Now I will mix it till it dissolves. Now it is dissolved very well. Now I am going to take the lemon and put it in the salt water. See? It floats, and I'm going to take it and put it in the normal water. Here it sinks. Do you know why it sinks in the normal water and floats in the salt water? Because the density of the salt water is higher than the normal water. That's why it sinks in the normal water and floats in the salt water. Thank you.